Speech by Judy Liu, CEO of RINA TECH. Good morning, everyone. I am delighted to stand before you today as the CEO of RINA TECH, a global leader in optical solutions, supply chain management, and manufacturing. It is my honor to introduce our company and the exceptional services we offer. At RINA TECH, our vision is clear: to be the world's premier provider of optical solutions, supply chain expertise, and manufacturing solutions. Since our establishment in Hong Kong in 2011, we have experienced remarkable growth and expanded our operations to include an office and factory in Shenzhen. We take immense pride in our ability to research, develop, produce, and distribute cutting-edge optical materials. Our commitment to innovation has allowed us to forge partnerships with renowned companies such as Toyota, BOE, Flex, Xiaomi, Siemens, and Coca-Cola, among others. These collaborations have enabled us to make significant breakthroughs in research and manufacturing, earning us a stellar reputation among our international clientele. With a presence in over 30 countries and territories worldwide, we are dedicated to providing technology-driven solutions to various industries and end markets. Our sustainable business practices ensure that we deliver superior products that not only create value but also enhance the lives of people globally. Our mission at RINA TECH is clear: to empower our customers with exceptional products that drive positive change. We firmly believe that by harnessing the power of our collective efforts, we can make the world a better place. In conclusion, I invite you all to join us on this remarkable journey as we continue to push the boundaries of optical technology, supply chain management, and manufacturing excellence. Together, let's create a brighter future for all. Thank you.